Hey folks, it's Bean. Today I'm going to start off the vlog today. I just took off the cover for bed cover on my truck. Today we're going to be going to help a good friend slash client of mine named Angele, and she just bought a couch, so might as well help her out, bring her couch to her. And I'm on the way to pick up a good friend of mine, John. He's going to give me a hand with all this, because there's no way I can lift the couch by myself unless I can pull off a miracle. Also, Angele just mentioned that she bought a car, so we're going to take a look at it. And yeah, so we'll go through it, do a walkthrough. She'll show us around, and yeah, so. And also, I met Angele through an ad, because she's looking for a mechanic. So, till this day, we're good friends and good client of mine. So I'll always help her out, give her my point of view. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn on the notification. And this is going to be a fun adventure, I guess. So, anyways.
Good morning, everyone.
Or afternoon.
Good evening and good night.
Well, it depends how they're going to watch it. Anyways, you guys, this is John. He's a good friend of mine. Yeah, introduce him yourself.
Hi, everybody. So, as being said, I'm John. I think we've known each other, 10, 11 years now?
Something like that. 8 years, mostly.
It's been a long time.
Yeah, so he's just going to help me out with picking up this couch and delivering it to one of my clients.
I'm the hired muscle.
I can't do it by myself.
Safety first. Don't do it too personal. Your back will thank you tomorrow.
But yeah, but with anything, if I need a second hand with anything like repairing or not anything automotive related, I always ask him to give me a hand.
Yeah. 8 years I had working at a Home Depot. I learned my way around power tools pretty well, and sometimes getting your hands dirty for a few minutes just makes life so much easier down the line.
Yeah, so down the road I'm going to need them in the future.
Bean has come through when I've needed a hand on several occasions. Good guy to be able to call.
Give them a reason to subscribe to my channel.
Well, let's see. If you want to learn anything about cars, trucks, etc., this is the guy to ask. So he's on my short list if I have any technical or mechanical problems.
See, there you go, folks. You hear it first.
You have John's endorsement.
Alright, so we're on our way over there. So I'll catch you in a bit. See ya. Alright, we're off we go. Hey folks, so we made it to the place and we just unloaded the couch. Whew, I'm out of breath already. So we're here and this is Angele. Wave to the viewers and yeah, and show us what you got now.
I got my new Rav4, well, new to me. Her name is Fox, because she drives wherever I take her. There's lots of gadgets, lots of still trying to explore. I've got a neat to open up my trunk. I'm not used to that. That's a little princess thing.
Takes a while to get used to.
Yeah. So, it's a 4-wheel drive.
Yeah, you need it in this
It's
kind of
a
road conditions.
bit of a pig on gas, but I think it's because the gas tank might be small.
Yeah.
So I drive it 500 kilometers, and I think I have to not fill up, but halfway to full about 3 times.
Okay.
So
You do a lot of
good.
driving though.
I do a
That's
lot
the
of
thing.
driving.
Yeah.
Yeah, I typically get lost. Oh, I wonder where this road is going to take me. Oh, let's take that road too.
Yeah. But
And then I'm out of data, and I try and find my way home.
Yeah.
And it takes me 4 hours to come back home. Yeah.
Yeah, look at this! Look at this stunning view. As well.
Yeah.
Not right now because it's full of
There's a
snow.
snowmobile over there.
Yeah.
That lake is just jam-packed with snowmobiles.
Oh, one of these days. One of these days.
One of these days, eh?
Yeah. See,
It lasts forever.
like it's in great shape.
Yeah, I was pretty impressed. And I told the guy, I said, I want to buy, next year I want to buy a teardrop trailer.
Yes.
So teardrops are about 1,500 pounds.
Mm-hmm.
Gross weight could be up to 1,700 pounds. So this can pull 1,700
Oh yeah.
pounds.
No problem.
Yeah, so...
No problem.
Good girl!
Hey, say hi to the viewers.
Good girl, Milo! Good girl!
I know. Say hi to the viewers. Oh,
Hey, Milo! Milo, come here! Good girl! Sit. Good girl!
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, she's pretty good. I love her. The only thing I don't like is taking all the snow off. I hate taking the snow off. Oh, maybe you can check something.
Okay.
This is really silly, okay? This is really stupid, so I'm going to feel awkward. This came off my wiper blade. And I tried to put it back on, but I couldn't figure it out. There's one on that side. Or maybe I'm getting the sides mixed up.
Right here. John, can you hold this camera? Thanks.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
There you go.
I'll send you $5 for that.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I was like, no, it can't be. So it's just a wiper.
Yeah, it's just
it's
the
okay.
wiper. So I guess
If it does fall off, you can just replace
I
it.
don't like these wipers. When I did an oil change a while back, maybe back in the December, I told them, okay, do everything to it. Check the brakes, check the oil, check everything. And I said, okay, can I have new wipers? And they gave me those.
Yeah.
But they're not winter.
No, they are winter.
They are?
They are winter. Oh, yeah, because they don't have that metal part on it, because it tends to, it's frameless wiper.
Okay.
It's just basically doesn't have, it won't freeze up, and you won't have that streaks.
So what makes it a winter wiper?
Because it doesn't have,
all of this is
it's
like
just one
plastic?
frame. It's just one frame. It doesn't have that little steel frames around.
Okay.
What can you do is, my advice is put car polish when you, car polish, because it repels water.
Yeah?
Yeah, it will help out really well.
So smear car polish
on the windshield.
On the windshield.
Yeah.
So that when water goes on, it's just gonna...
Yeah, because Rain-X does the same thing. You can get that little bottle. The little white yellow bottle is Rain-X. It repels water. Car polish does the same thing. Car polish does the same thing.
Yeah, it's probably cheaper too,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
And car polish you can do it anywhere in your vehicle too.
Oh, well, I'll be taking really good care of Fox.
Yeah.
She's been good to me.
Yeah.
I love the cruise control. I love my buttons and everything, but the radio, the screen is off.
Okay, we'll look at that and show it like full leather interior in there.
Yeah, it's leather interior. Milo, come. Milo.
I like the trim, brown. Brown, little brown accents on it. GPS. Like
this.
Oh, the push start.
I'm not used to that.
You gotta be careful with that though.
Why?
Because it's you can easily get theft. That's why the number one cause of it. Because people can actually transmit the
Oh, really?
reception,
Okay.
right? My suggestion: there's a way in the service manual to turn off this transmitter.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, I'll
there's
take
a
a
way.
look at that.
A buddy of mine told me about it. If people read the manual on it, service manual or the owner's manual on it, it shows you everything along the way.
Okay.
Like it shows you how the tricks to turn off the transmitter.
Okay,
On
I'll
it.
take a look at it then. So,
Yeah.
do I keep the transmitter off all the time?
No. On certain times, just turn it off
Okay.
because
And-
they can actually get the signal.
And that gadget I sent you with the link to
Don't-
save gas, you said
Don't
no.
You have eco mode on it.
Yeah, I have. What's the difference with eco mode and sport?
Sport is more throaty, aggressive, RPM.
Sport, okay.
Like it opens the throttle all the way.
Okay.
Eco is just opens just a little bit, just to save you
Okay,
fuel
let's
economy.
give you two different scenarios. I'm going to Jason's place in the country. I'm driving gravel road and up hills and the country and
Sport mode will good.
sport.
Yeah.
If I'm driving on the 417 or the 17 to Sudbury,
If you
sport again.
if you go like city driving, like bumper,
Eco.
like eco mode.
Eco because you're stopping.
Yeah, stop and go.
Stop
Stop
and
and go.
gas.
Yeah,
Okay,
stop
eco
and
is
go.
when it's stop and go.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Good. Good. Yeah, I love my car. You know, I've got all these little buttons here, and
Yeah.
I've got a phone finally. Remember
Yes,
my Jeep? I was
yes,
disappointed I didn't have a
yes.
phone. So now I
Yes.
have one, and I hear better
Yes.
when I use my phone in the car. I don't have to wear my hearing aid
Yes.
because I'm just surrounded with speakers.
Yes.
But maybe
Yeah.
maybe in a while I might ask you to help me put a nice sound system in
Yes.
here.
I will. I
Because
will.
you know I'm deaf, so I
Yeah.
want the music loud.
Maybe in a future episode, we'll do some stereo upgrade.
Okay. Well, that's definitely
Yeah.
something I want to do because I love putting my music on loud.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is Fox, and I love
Yeah.
her. She treats me good.
It's in good shape. Like I said, like a lot of viewers, I told Angela about this. My sister has the exact same car. She loves it. I love it. I like it. But for me, it doesn't have that much power. That's the
Yeah.
only thing for me. But just for city driving, it's good enough for it.
Well, with this car, my Jeep, I couldn't do it. But if I feel much more confident passing cars
Yes.
with this car than my Jeep.
Yes.
My Jeep didn't have good pickup.
Yes.
This has got good pickup.
Yes.
So when I press on the gas and I'm just going fast, I can feel my head going
That's
back,
good.
and I'm
That's
like,
good.
"Oh, this is nice."
You know the older generation of this, I think the third generation, they only came in the V6. The V6 one, and those are rare. Those are getting hard to find now.
Yeah.
A friend of mine just picked one up.
I think the last V6
Yeah.
for a Rav4 was 2012. I
Yes.
think.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
because I googled it
Yeah.
and I didn't know if this
Yeah.
was a V6
No,
or a V4.
4-cylinder. This ever since then, Rav4 is now 4-cylinder, and now they moved into a hybrid. You can get a hybrid version of this too,
Okay.
but
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
you know, had
you
I
don't.
known,
That's too. Maybe in the future, just keep on. Just be happy, grateful that you have this.
Oh, I'm really happy.
Yeah.
When I had four choices, a Hyundai,
Hyundai,
something I can't remember the
Elantra,
type. And
Santa Fe.
I think I sent it to you, the
Yes.
list.
Santa Fe.
And it was 3 choices. And I asked the dealer, I said, okay, which one is best? I love driving. I want to feel
Yeah.
safe on the road.
Yeah.
And they said RAV4s are really good.
There
And he
you
says
go.
The reselling for RAV4 is really good
Yeah,
too.
exactly.
So, but had I known that you could have taken my Jeep and souped it up, I would have given it to you. I would have just, here, take it, play around with it, soup it up.
Not
and-
yet, not yet, not yet. But once I get like a parking spot, I will.
Okay. Well, I might do that with this car.
Yes.
You know, once I buy myself a new car again, I might just give you this one. You know, you help me out so much.
Okay,
So,
no worries. Just
yeah.
like I said, like refer me to other people.
Yeah.
That's I want to be known as an honest mechanic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're honest and you're fair. That's what I do when I share it on my Facebook or Twitter or
Yes.
LinkedIn.
Yes.
Honest, fair, knowledgeable guy. Come on, give him a
Yeah.
call.
Yeah, I hope these viewers are getting to know me even more now.
Oh, yeah.
You should tell them how we met.
Well, I used to have my ex-husband used to fix my car, and then I moved to Ottawa. So I needed to find somebody else to fix my car. And I had a Ford Focus previously, and I went to Canadian Tire to get it fixed, and it was over $1,000. And the most expensive part was the labor. And so somebody had said, well, find yourself a mechanic. Find yourself somebody that's going to help you to fix your car and maintain your car. So I just decided to put an ad in on Kijiji, and I'm looking for a backyard mechanic. And sure enough, Albin gave me a call, contacted me, and he came and fixed my car the first time, and then he's been my mechanic ever since. So, and my delivery guy now ever since. So,
all in one package, I guess now.
right. Very, very helpful kind of guy. So I'm really lucky. I lucked out when I met him.
That's good though. Yeah. What else? You should tell about people why they should subscribe to my channel.
Well, Albin knows a lot about cars, and he knows when I need some advice from Albin, I just text him and I say, hey, I'm thinking about doing this, is this a good idea? And Albin knows enough about cars to be able to give me some really good advice. So, and even for the mechanics that are out there, if you want to learn how to fix something on a car, you can watch Albin's videos and learn how to fix specific things. So sign up to his channel, and you never know, maybe you're going to learn a bunch of things just watching him do the work he does. And one of the things that I was most impressed with Albin was he tried to help me save money when my brake pads were gone and the caliper was seized. So he actually fixed the caliper, and I didn't have to buy another caliper. So he saved me quite a bit of money there, and so he knows what he's doing. And great guy, and he's probably more than willing to help other mechanics figure out problems also.
Yes.
He's lucky to have his dad, because his dad knows a lot about cars too. So he has to troubleshoot. He gives his dad a call. Yeah. So a really cool guy. A couple of years ago, there was something wrong with my brake pads, and I was out in the middle of Timbuktu, and I gave him a call. I said, oh, Albin, there's something wrong with my brake pads. Can you come? I'll pay you for the gas. So he drove 2 hours in the country, in the middle of nowhere, and he took a look at my brake pads, and he says, yeah, there's something wrong with the brake pads. So I ended up following him to Ottawa. I told him, I said, okay, I'm going to leave now. I don't want to drive by myself to Ottawa. Can I follow you, or can you follow me? So that's what happened. And I felt a lot more safe and secure knowing that Albin was around in case there was something wrong with my car. So great guy. You'll learn a lot. Even the women out there, you'll learn a lot too. Just asking questions.
My phone's always blowing up. Might as well keep on asking questions. Right. I'll get to you guys.
Right. Yeah. So good guy. Sign up for his channel and you'll learn quite a few things. I can guarantee you that.
All right. Anyways, any final words to say?
Stay safe. Albin, you're driving back home, and stay safe on the roads. I know we're expecting freezing rain. But this is the guy for you if you need some help.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much. So, that's basically it. I'm going to wrap up the video. Anyways, yeah. So I'll catch you next time on the next vlog, and I might have fun later on today on the way home, but we'll see how it goes. Anyways, stay fly, forever living young. Peace.